So this is the home page of my website. We have our nav bar up top here. We have on hover effects. So first we'll go to our create account. And here's where you'll enter your information to create your account. So we'll just add a name here, an email address, and then we have some validation with the password. So if our password is under 8 characters, we get an alert that our password is too short. So we'll make our password a bit longer here, and then that creates our account. We can then add another account if we want. Next, we'll go to the deposit page, and here we see our balance is displayed. Currently, there's a lot of money in that account, so let's add some more because we're obviously rich. So we'll add $1,000 and deposit it into our account, and so there it's added $1,000 to our balance. The submit button is not clicked if active if you don't have a number here. If we try to enter a letter, we get an invalid amount, and same goes for a negative number. Okay, next we go to our withdraw, and here's where we can take from our balance, which is also displayed here. So let's take some money. We withdrew there, and next we have some validation here. So if we try to take more than was in our account, then we cannot withdraw that much. And then if we try to withdraw a letter, it also does not work. Next we have our all data page with our users, their email, passwords, and then the account balance. So all the money right now is in Abel's account. And lastly, our home page that takes us back to the home page. So ran into a lot of challenges with this, mostly related to styling, making the cards the right size, changing a lot of the graphics around. Also ran into some challenges with Bootstrap, getting the nav bar to work correctly and have the right functionality. Ran into a bunch of problems there, but with a lot of Googling, found my way around, figured out how to center a card. And then I changed some things with the design of the card, changed the width to be auto so it fills the page depending. That way the cards were not too small. A lot of styling with CSS. Changed all the cards colors to be success instead of primary blue because I love green. Changed the hover effects to match the green, and then added a forest picture for the background just to make everybody calm when they see their bank accounts. Let's see. So those were some of the few design changes there. Added some things, we had to add logic to the JavaScript of this to make sure that the passwords were long enough and we were entering the right amount. So lots of JavaScript additions there. Let's see. I didn't create a form component. I didn't really see a reason why I should, as everything had to be on a card. So it was a card with inputs, but not a form component. So yeah, unsure about that. All in all, was a pretty fun project to do. Learned a lot about the React lifecycle and backend stuff. Definitely some things I would like to add to this validation. These pages being not displayed if you're not logged in, but all future things. Good stuff.